Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. My name is Nabila Frisksa Ivana Tsany, and now I'd like to talk about map and help you find some places around the area. So let's get started. Number 1. Is there any public hospital near here? Where is it? Yes, there is a public hospital near here. It's located on the left side of Yos Sudarso Street, just across from the National Bank of Indonesia. Number 2. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? The National Bank of Indonesia is at the corner of Yos Sudarso Street and Martadinata Street. It's right next to the hospital. Number 3. Where is Ramayana department store? Ramayana department store is located on Martadinata Street near the lower part of the map. It's close to the railway station. Number 4. Excuse me, are there any restaurants around here? Where is it? Yes, there is a Chinese restaurant nearby. You can find it on the right side of Yos Sudarso Street, near the drugstore and the railway station. Number 5. Can you tell me where the drugstore are, please? Sure. The drugstore is located between the Chinese restaurant and the railway station, still on the right side of Yos Sudarso Street. Number 6. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Of course. To reach the railway station, go along Yos Sudarso Street to the right. The station is at the far end on the route after the drugstore. That's all for the map. I hope the explanation helps you to understand the direction clearly. Now, let's move to something more fun. I'd like to share a bit about myself and my hobbies. Check it out! So, what's my hobby? Well, I really enjoy baking. I love making cakes, cookies, and other sweet treats. It makes me feel relaxed and happy, especially when I got to share them with my family and my friends. When do I usually bake? Mostly on weekend, especially on Saturday mornings and when I have more time to try new recipes. What do I do in my spare time? Aside from baking, I like watching baking tutorials on YouTube and reading baking blogs. Sometimes I try decorating cakes with new style or reading down my favorite recipes. Do I bake often? Yes, I do. I usually bake at least once a week, sometimes more if there's a birthday or special event. How often do I bake in my free time? About 1-2 times a week. If I'm really in the mood, I might bake a few different things in one day, like cookies and brownie. So, where do I go for recreation? Sometimes I go to a cafe with my friends or my family. I also enjoy visiting my baking supply stores to look for new ingredients and tools. It's like a small adventure for me. So that's my video presentation. I've talked about the map and shared my favorite hobbies. Baking. I hope this presentation was fun and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.